Hello everyone, I am Naim. Today I want to show you half-adder circuit using a basic logic gate. This is the circuit of full adder by using three basic logic gates and OR and XOR gates. So first of all, we need three switches. This is the switch A, and this is switch B, and the last one is switch CI. These are input switches. Let's check the condition for full adder. 0 0 0. A is 0, B 0, and CI 0. So sum and carry 0. We can say that this is the LED of sum mode and this LED is carry mode. Now let's check again condition. 0 1 1. A is 0, CI is 1, and B is 0. So sum is 1. Third condition. A 0, CI 1, and B 1. So carry is 1. And let's check the again condition. 1 1 1. When A, B and CI are high, and then sum and carry is on mode. Now again check 1 0 0 condition. A is 1, A is 1 1 0 0 condition, so sum is 1. So we can say that the full adder experiment is successfully verified. Thank you everyone.